According to National Geographic, the average temperature of Earth has increased by 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit over the last 230 years. This may not seem like much, but consider that during the last major ice age, the Earth's average temperature dropped only a few degrees. We are in the warmest decade in at least 400 years, and possibly the warmest in several millennia. The atmosphere and our weather is all driven by heat. By increasing the temperature of Earth's atmosphere, it is believed that weather conditions will become more and more extreme. A new study by Geophysical Research Letters suggests that warm temperatures decrease the number of hurricanes hitting the United States each year. Yet since the 1970s, proportions of hurricanes reaching a Category 4, that is, a hurricane with sustained winds of at least 131 miles per hour, have increased by 15%. Also, precipitation in the United States due to hurricanes has increased by 7% over the last 100 years. This means that we can expect to see a decrease in the number of hurricanes. Great, right? Well, the ones that we do see will be raging monsters of rain and wind hurling into our country with ever-increasing force. Many predict that more precipitation and a longer growing season in coastal regions is bound to increase these areas' usefulness in terms of food production. However, the majority of coastal land is occupied by urban centers. On top of that, the central plains are becoming drier due to high rates of evaporation linked to global warming. Desertification, or the transformation of fertile lands to deserts, is expected to hamper our ability to produce food dramatically. But not all hope is lost. Recycling has become a norm in our culture, and businesses are sprouting that produce renewable and eco-friendly energy. If every family in the United States were to simply switch to fluorescent light bulbs, we could reduce CO2 emissions by 90 billion pounds per year. Simply turning the thermostat down only 2 degrees in the winter and up 2 in the summer will cut the average household's emissions by 2,000 pounds of CO2. Contrary to scientific research, perhaps global warming is naturally occurring. But why would we take the chance and continue our current practices and gamble our very existence? For High Noon Friday, I'm Nick Gunner.